Hey guys, let's create a wire headband. You're gonna need fabric, marking tool, matching thread, fabric scissors, ruler, crafting wire, I have 2 pieces, and masking tape. For the wire headband, you're going to need a piece that is 32 inches in length and 4 inches in width. Now you can go a bit longer. It's all based on how you want to create it, but that's the measurement that I'm using in this video. Now, as you saw, I folded it in half to make it easier to cut my piece. I'm now folding my piece in half, right side facing right side, lengthways, and I'm clipping it into place to take it to the machine and run my stitch. For the wire headband, you're going to want those slant cut edges, so just use your ruler to get a nice straight line. Once you've did it on one side, you can fold and mirror that cut and create that same cut on the other edge. Make sure when stitching, you stitch one edge shut. Once you've created your stitch, just turn your piece right side out from the opened side. Let's prep the wire. Now, if you have a wire piece that is long enough for your project, great. If not, and you're like me and using 2 pieces, go ahead and secure those 2 pieces together once you have the length you need. Once this is done, everyone is going to take their tape and you're going to tape the full length of the wire. What this does is kind of make the wire a little more durable, 1, and 2, it also creates a casing over that wire, especially on the edges that are sharp, so they do not pierce through your fabric at any point in time. So this is what it should look like at the end, and now you're ready to make the headband. What I'm doing here is simply bending the ends in a bit to make it a little more round. And now that I have both wire and casing, I'm just going to filter the wire into that casing all the way to the end that is closed off, because you would have closed off that end at the beginning. And all you're going to do now is fold in your raw edges, take it to the machine and run your final stitch. And that's it, guys. Your headband is all complete. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you go out there and be creative. And until next time, deuces.